Silicon Valley, the tech capital of the world, is always looking for the next big thing, like computers that think or self-driving vehicles. But are we thinking about how these technologies affect the business community right here in Northeast Wisconsin?
People shrug their shoulders. What is artificial intelligence? Why should I be worried about it? What should I be doing about it? And if the majority of Wisconsin companies, educational institutions, even our government are not aware and are not taking steps to prepare, then the aggregate disadvantage for Wisconsin is significant. Technology is accelerating at such a rapid pace that it's creating foundational underlying technologies that come together and create entirely new capabilities.
Current MBA students are encouraged to enroll in this course and take the knowledge learned back to their place of business.
But it could also be a person that is not enrolled in the MBA program that identifies with that type of mission or personal aspiration, maybe is curious about the MBA program and wants to put a toe in the water.
To register for the Waves of Disruption course, contact Brenda Bush, Associate Director of Graduate Recruitment at St. Norbert College.